My name is Levi Dunn. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee, and my project is about 3D printing recycled plastic. I have a passion for 3D printing, and then I also did a lot of recycling programs, and so combining the two passions got me into this project. But you wash and dry the plastic first and clean it, get any residue off, then you're going to shred the plastic. The shredded waste gets melted and compressed into a filament, and then you can feed that into a 3D printer.
Kurt Helison. I'm a faculty member at St. Cloud State University in St. Cloud, Minnesota. We're partnered with ACE, America's Cutting Edge. We train high school teachers in the ACE program and then help support them to implement the ACE program for their students within the high school by bringing in materials and tools that are actually portable that we take out to the schools.
This project I've made with 3D printer, but I do a lot of prototyping, developing a product and seeing it through to completion without having to spend an enormous amount of money. It's kind of the most rewarding part.
On here we've got a well-lit area. We're on carpet. We have 3D printers that do full color prints. We have robots that are used in industry, whether that's for welding or material handling. And then we have a production mill that we can produce aluminum parts right here in a carpeted, air-conditioned space. Manufacturing has changed. Dark, dirty, and dangerous isn't necessarily manufacturing anymore. Everybody's aware of, the need to have strong academics, strong math scores, strong science scores. But I think what's neat about the STEM approach that we see is it's about getting students the chance to experiment, to design parts, to cut parts, to really feel what that's like. It's one thing to calculate what it needs to be, it's one thing to draw it, but it's another thing to actually fabricate it and say, hey, I made this part. We have an engineering club that builds a race car every 2 years, and they actually do this competition across the country. They wanted to design a specific manifold to increase their air efficiency. Well, they were able to design a part that there's no way you could manufacture in a traditional metalworking lab, but they were able to print it with our 3D printer. So they printed the prototype, made sure it worked, and so they're literally able to take that part and compete with that. We all know that if I'm engaged, I'm going to learn a lot more, I'm going to have fun, as opposed to just sitting and memorizing and being lectured to, right?
Dear future builder, keep coming up with great ideas and then executing, and then always feel free to reach out to other people building, because you never know where the next opportunity might come from or the next great idea for that project.